Imagine you are learning, some language. Yeah, it seems a little bit weird to the rest of the people who are, watching us.
How to improve your English? This is my question.
You're actually,
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a special, very special video for you. I'm in the street, I will be here. I will ask only one person who I meet. I will ask him about English. My question is like this: how to improve English? I will give you very important tips. Let's go. Hey man, how are you? Do you speak English?
yeah, I'm fine. Thanks, by the way. Yes, that I speak.
Oh, that's great. Are you not in a hurry? Sorry for taking your time.
No, we're actually not in a hurry. I've recently, finished my job, and exactly.
Oh, that's cool. I have a channel in YouTube named English Kada.
Wow, that's great.
Thank you. I want to ask you some question. Can you give us some important tips how to improve your English? This is my question.
You're actually, you want to just exactly to get a capture this video to the young generation, yeah, who are learning English, yes?
Yeah, definitely.
Thanks, by the way. To be honest, I've been learning English for long years, and I personally want to just take an example of my own experience in my own life. There have been to a lot of difficulties, in my personal life, but I want to say about, those tips, who I used it to, enhance and improve my English at the same time, and multi-sided. And exactly, one of the most important tip of improving your English, of course, is reading a lot. To get a great job of myself, really, reading, it totally changed it about a personal life. When a person reads a lot, about a lot of books, there would be a lot of changes, including in pronunciation, vocabulary, or in speaking part. And the second most important tip is that listening a lot. Yeah, it seems a little bit weird to the rest of the people who are, watching us. But listening a lot is the most important part, I can say. Why? Because if you paid attention, pronunciation plays a leading role in other languages. By the time when you're gonna put some songs, you're gonna tape it over, you're gonna listen it, man, it's, this is another world. Listening is another tape of it. The third part of it is to read a lot of podcasts, I may follow about these newspapers or online magazines, what you got. Everybody has got the internet, has got the access of the internet. You're gonna pick it up, you'll read all, electronic version of this, this is a third tip. And a fourth tip, what I use it basically, of course, how can I say, practicing. Yeah, irreversibly, they say, practice makes it perfect.
Yeah, exactly.
Imagine you are learning, some language. A teacher, gives you a lot of homework. When you don't practice it, it's useless. That's why, when I was studying, my mom gave me a lot of homework, and I, try to use in that one, and I wasn't a hard-working person. I practiced a lot of the vocabulary, what I learned it, and I practice it. The sentence, what I use it in my grammatical aspect, that I use them in my speech, kind of, approximately what I got.
Yeah.
If you want to just say, I think it's enough. If you have some questions, you can ask.
Yeah, thank you very much. Now I have a question. I'm surprised by your tips, how to improve your intonation and your pronunciation just by listening. What's your idea here?
Let's don't go so far. Everybody has got a telephone, yeah?
Yeah.
You got a lot of songs on yourself. Imagine I'm Tajik and I gotta listen to a lot of Tajik songs. And of course, I need to transform myself.
Yeah.
You're gonna surprise. How can I transform myself? Of course, you got an access of internet. You'll, There are dozens of songs on internet. You're gonna download them. It doesn't matter, like from Eminem, Rihanna, Jay-Z, Beyonce. You know, the fastest one, the slower one. But for the beginners, it's better to listen to the slow songs and listen a lot and repeat it after it. If you don't understand it, just repeat it after it. There's no problem. And the easiest way to that one to download the lyrics of that song. For example, you got a song of "Love the Way You Lie," and you have to Google it on a Google. You're gonna find it "Love the Way You Lie." Just you'll see the lyrics of this song, and you're gonna pick it up and you repeat after that. That's not difficult for you, and there would come a lot of change in sound when that singer pronounce how it sounds. You have to.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.